Breaking news: marketing agencies are no longer the only option for startups. Across India and globally, founders are switching to a powerful new system called Trivro AI. With Trivro AI, businesses are now creating meta ads, funnels, landing pages, emails, blogs, SEO, and WhatsApp automation in minutes. Reports show companies using Trivro AI are launching campaigns 3 times faster and reducing marketing costs by 50 to 70%. One real estate company even sold 100 flats in just 3 days using the Trivro AI system. So what's the big change? Instead of paying agencies every month, founders are building their own in-house AI marketing system with 51 plus AI tools. No coding, no big teams, no long delays. This is not tomorrow's trend. This is happening right now. If you're a founder or business owner, Trivro AI could be the smartest move you make this year. More updates soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get first-hand news.